What's up everyone, it's Elijah from Financial Anatomy, coming at you with another video to help you take control of your financial destiny. We talk about apps involving money on this channel, and we're going to be talking about the Venmo app today. In particular, how can you replace a Venmo debit card if it was lost or stolen? Start off by opening the app up and click on where it says cards. This goes without saying, but you do need the Venmo debit card in the first place, so if you don't have that, you can check this video out to figure out how to get one. Assuming you have one, you want to actually click on the card icon. Once here, you'll see the following page, but you'll need to use your finger, put it where it says Venmo balance, and move it down your phone. This will move that little mini menu out of the way so you can get to where you need to go. Once you're here, just scroll down, and you'll see where it says report lost, stolen, or damaged card. Click on it, and then you just follow the steps outlined by Venmo. Essentially, it's going to cancel the card that you have and send you a new debit card. Just keep in mind that if this happens too frequently, you might get charged a fee for that, but they'll let you know that before it goes through. But that does it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. Give us a thumbs up if you found value in the video. And if you have more questions about Venmo, I have a whole Venmo playlist full of tutorials that can help serve your needs. I'll catch you in the next video. Don't forget to get out there and take control of your financial destiny.